The life cycle of a chem-resist storage tank. Chem-resist spiral-wound chemical storage tanks are manufactured using thermoplastics. These materials offer excellent resistance to a broad range of highly aggressive and corrosive acids and alkalis. A chem-resist storage tank starts life as plastic granules, heated to above 200 degrees Celsius to create a continuous extrusion, which is wound to the required diameter. The overlap of the extrusion naturally fuses together at high temperatures, creating a homogeneous cylinder wall with no seam welds. A base and lid are added, along with any access manways, flanged connection points, handrails, ducts, and level instrumentation as the specification requires. Each tank is then hydrostatically tested before it's carefully loaded and secured on the transport vehicle ready to leave our factory gate. Choosing a spiral-wound thermoplastic storage tank means the lowest carbon footprint is created compared to alternative materials and manufacturing methods, including steel and GRP. As the storage tank arrives at a customer, it is carefully unloaded, bolted down, and any required ancillary equipment is added. Chem-resist storage tanks aren't constrained by a limited number of fill and empty cycles, and with regular inspections and routine maintenance, will reach its design life of 20 years. At the end of its life, the storage tank is removed from site, and unlike GRP tanks, can be recycled and ground back into granules, which typically go on to make low-pressure pipe. Chem-resist spiral-wound thermoplastic storage tanks offer excellent resistance to a broad range of aggressive chemicals, have a lower carbon footprint when compared to other tank technologies, and can be recycled. And each one is built with integrity.